Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is theory of supply. Supply of a commodity is another market force to determine price of a commodity in the market. The economic theory, which deals with the concept of sale of goods and services by the producers to consumers, is known as theory of supply. As theory of demand studies behavior of a buyer, theory of supply studies behavior of a seller in the market. Supply of a commodity is influenced by many factors. For example, price of the commodity, price of related goods, etc. We now study supply, another important market force in the theory of price determination. Supply refers to quantity of a commodity which is actually offered for sale at a given price during some particular time. Supply is that part of the stock which a seller is ready to sell at a certain price during a certain time. Thus, the definition of supply includes quantity of a commodity, willingness to sell, price of the commodity, and the period of time. Law of supply. It states that other things remaining the same, quantity supplied of a commodity is directly related to the price of the commodity. Law of supply expresses the direct relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity supplied. Symbolically, supply of X is the function of price, that is Sx is equal to F of Px. Supply schedule is a tabular statement that gives different quantities supplied of a commodity at different prices per unit of time. Here we can see that as the price of a commodity increases, the quantity supplied also increases. The supply curve refers to the graphical representation of the relationship between quantity supplied of a commodity and its price. The locus of points where each point represents the quantity of a commodity the seller is willing to sell at the given price during a given period of time, other things being equal. Supply curve is positively sloped. It indicates direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Factors determining supply. Supply function is a functional relationship between quantity supplied of a commodity and factors affecting it. Supply function can be written as Sx is equal to f of Px, Pz, T, C and G. The major factors affecting supply are price of the commodity, Pz. At a higher price, the producer offers more quantity for sale, and at a lower price and less quantity is offered for sale. Thus, there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied as shown by law of supply. Price of related goods. Supply of a commodity depends upon prices of related goods, especially substitute goods. If price of a commodity remains constant and the price of the substitute good Z increases, the producer would prefer to produce substitute good Z. As a result, the supply of commodity will decreases and that of substitute good Z will increase. An increase in the price of the substitute good will lead to decrease in the supply of goods and vice versa. State of technology. If there is a change in technique of production leading to fall in the cost of production, supply of commodity will increase. Cost of production. A change in the cost of production, that is prices of factors of production, also affect supply. If wages of labor or prices of raw material increases, cost of production will rise. As a result, supply of good will fall and vice versa. Government policy. If heavy excise taxes imposed on a commodity It will discourage producers and as a result its supply will decrease. It is because the excise duty is levied on the total production cost of the firm. Individual supply and market supply. Individual supply indicate different quantities offered for sale by an individual firm at different prices in a particular time period. Market supply refers to the total quantities of the commodity offer for sale by all the firms at different prices in a particular time period. Change in supply and change in quantity supplied. Change in quantity supplied. Movement along the supply curve. When quantity supplied of a commodity changes due to change in its own price, assuming other things being equal, it is known as change in quantity supplied. It is represented by movement along the same supply curve. No new supply curve is drawn. It is of two types: expansion or extension of supply, contraction of supply. Extension of supply. When other things being equal, quantity supplied of a commodity rises due to rise in its price. It is termed as extension of supply. Here, price of the commodity increases from 5 to 10. Quantity supplied also increases from 10 to 30. This is the supply curve that shows extension of supply. The upward movement of the supply curve from point A to B shows the extension or more supply at higher prices. Contraction of supply. When other things being equal, quantity supplied of a commodity falls due to fall in its price. It is termed as contraction of supply. Here, price reduces from 25 to 15. Quantity supplied also decreases from 50 to 20. A downward movement from point B to A shows contraction or less quantity supplied at lower price. Change in supply or shift of the supply curve. When supply of a commodity changes due to change in factors other than price of the commodity, it is known as change in supply. For example, change in supply of a commodity due to change in technology, price of inputs, etc. It is of two types: increase in supply and decrease in supply. Increase in supply. When supply of a commodity rises due to change in factors other than price of the commodity, it is termed as increase in supply. Favorable changes include improvement in technique of production, fall in the price of related good, fall in cost of production, fall in taxes, etc. causes increase in supply. Here price remains same but quantity increases from 20 to 30. It is shown by a rightward shift of the supply curve from S1 to S2 and the quantity increases from Q1 to Q2. Decrease in supply. When supply of a commodity falls due to change in factors other than price of the commodity, it is termed as decrease in supply. The causes of decrease in supply are obsolete or outdated technique of production, increase in the price of related good, rise in taxes, etc. Here, price remains the same and the quantity decreases from 50 to 20. Here, supply curve shift from S2 to S1 and the quantity also reduces from Q1 to Q2. This is change in supply. Thank you.